pushed out. That's got to get fixed. I really like the look of these skylights that aren't really on the roof, they're on the sidewall, but I think these are going to work out real well. New doors. All new hardware, rollers. This will roll nice. I think they might be putting these up today. So I put some of this metal, cut it to fit to cover the wood that was there, because I thought it kind of looked a little taggy. I don't know, I didn't like it. So I put some metal over it, and I had to get that before we get gutters. And we got the gutter guy coming here sometime in a week or 3 or something, I don't know. I still have a little bit more to put here and a little bit more over on the other side. But for the most part, I'm done here. And that wasn't the contractor that did that, I did that just for aesthetics, you know? So that's the machine shed. It's essentially done. I have a few odds and ends to do here. The contractor has a couple of odds and ends to do here, but for the most part, it's basically done. In fact, you can see I've got goats back there. So it's worked out really well. So far, I've had them in here about a week, and they're doing great. Oh, hi, sweetheart. Hi, Petunia. How you doing, sweetheart? Yeah, good girl. Yeah, it's working out really good. Have a little bit of a mess to clean up over here. You know, there's always junk around, whatever. But And I got some lights to put in. I got lights there, but I got none over there, so I got to do that. But yes, I know. But yeah, we're essentially done. We're back to normal over here for the most part, and I tell you, I couldn't be happier. This has worked out really well. It's nice to have a place to keep these goats, these babies, separate from the rest of the herd. So anyway, join us again if you want to see more adventures in the machine shed and anywhere else on the Catastrophic Farms.